guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So if you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of fashion videos, styling videos, occasional beauty, motherhood content, lifestyle content, all mixed in there. So if that sounds like something you would love watching, please consider subscribing to my channel. All my social media is linked down below in my description box as well. Today I have a Walmart clearance haul for you guys. Now this video is very late because I did order these items a few weeks ago, but by the time I ordered them and they came in, I got sick. My entire family got sick, so I was unable to film. And honestly, I haven't been feeling that great recently the past 2 weeks, and I've been focusing more on just like resting and just enjoying life a little bit more and not working as much. So for that reason, the video is late. I was sick and I was just taking it easy. So I really hope all of these items are still in stock. I did check and there are a lot of items still in stock and different sizing. So I did notice that, so that's a plus. And as per usual, everything will be linked down below in my description box if you want to shop any of these items. I will also list down below the sizes I am wearing. And for reference, I am 5 feet 4 inches. I do wear a size 14, a size 32, 33 in jeans, mostly a 32. I am a large, extra large, and my shoe size is an 8. So hopefully that helps you out when you're looking at these clothes on me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I hope you guys understand why this video is late, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first up we have these jeans and this bodysuit. I did get this bodysuit in another color as well. I will show it to you in a second. So I got this color and I got like a cream color, of course, because you guys know I love my neutrals. It's really comfortable. As you can see, it's a ribbed material and these buttons are functioning. So if you want to like open up one, you could definitely do that. It is stretchy. This is in a size extra large and I think this was only $10. And this tank bodysuit is by Sofia Vergara, and you guys know I love her items. She makes the best items for Walmart, so absolutely love this bodysuit. Comfortable, lightweight, and you cannot beat a $10 bodysuit, so I love that price. These jeans are by, who are these by? These are by Scoop. These are in a size 14 and they fit really comfortably. Also, I would say you probably could size down if you wanted to. If you wanted to size down to a 12, you could probably do that if you are a size 14. So that's where they stop on me, as you can see. So they do bunch a little bit at my ankle, but you can definitely roll it up. You can tuck these into boots. It doesn't look too bad because it's not that bunched up. When it's really bunched up, I don't like the look of that, but this I don't mind because I feel like it's not that bad, and for the price you really can't beat it. So I love this gray color. I think it's different because usually we're all seeing like black and blues, so a little bit of gray I thought would be a nice addition. So these are very stretchy. As you can see, they are high-waisted. Also, they're not like super thick, so they're somewhere in the middle, like they're between like light to medium, so a really nice fabric. So I just really like the color of these jeans. I like the way they fit, and I do appreciate the fact that I don't feel like squeezed and like constricted in these jeans. Very comfortable. You cannot beat that price. The belt hoops are functioning, so you can definitely pair this with a belt if you wanted to. So yeah, these were the first two clearance items. Okay, so here is the other bodysuit in this cream like eggshell color. Very comfortable, just like the last one. I don't know if I mentioned in the previous clip, but these are thong style bodysuits, so if you don't like, you know, like panty lines or anything like that, this is perfect for that. Very comfortable, same material, same quality. Pretty good deal, $10, and this is also in a size extra large. Love it. Can't say anything bad about it because it looks really nice with jeans, and it'll look great with pretty much any bottoms you pair it with because it's a bodysuit and it's a nice basic staple color. So yeah, I really like this outfit. Just throw on some like cute sandals and you have like a complete look. So yeah, loving these jeans, and you cannot go wrong with a bodysuit in my opinion. So next up we have another bodysuit. I promise there are other tops in this haul, not just bodysuits, but I just wanted to get them out of the way. So this one is also by Sophia. Love this one, and I will say I feel like this is a dupe for the Spanx ones that I showed you in my Nordstrom anniversary sale. So I will link the Spanx ones in case you are interested. The sale is over now, so it will be regular price now, but this is close to it. I feel like maybe I should return my Spanx one and keep this one instead, because honestly this is a really good dupe for it. The material is very similar. It's stretchy. It looks nice. The material feels pretty nice. It's black. It's gonna go with everything. And I feel like it kind of looks like it smooths you out a little bit and slims you out because it is black. You know, black is slimming. So I do like this. So I'm actually really undecided. Should I should I return my Spanx one and just keep this one, because it was super affordable, clearance price, and it feels and looks pretty much identical to the Spanx one, which cost way more. So I don't know, but I do like this. Maybe I'll keep both. I have no idea, but I do really like this. It's a really cute basic. You can layer this under jackets, tops, like just a really cute, effortless look. Just pair it with some like black booties or something like that. So yeah, I have on the same jeans. This is the only pair of jeans I have to show you guys. So this will be the jeans that goes with all the tops that I'm going to show you. But yeah, I really do like this bodysuit, and it is a thong style, by the way. Okay, so how cute is this blazer? It is so freaking adorable. This is in a size extra large, and I do really like it. So it's somewhere between a light and medium. It looks so chic. I just threw on a random tank that I had in my drawer, so it's just a random ribbed tank. If I was wearing this out, I would probably pair it with like a nicer blouse or something like that, but I love this. I love the button detail. Look how pretty these gold buttons are. So these pockets are functioning, by the way, and you can button up this blazer if you wanted to. It is so cute. I love the style of it. I think it looks very expensive, so I think this is a really great price. I love the color. It's a pretty nice length. It's comfortable. I don't know, I love it. The colors just go so well with each other. I just really like this blazer. I think it's so pretty, and it definitely looks like a dupe for a Veronica. Is it Veronica Beard or Veronica Beer? I'm not really sure of the designer's name, but she has something similar to this, which costs way more, like hundreds of dollars, and this looks like a really great dupe for that. So I love this, and I think it was like $30 on clearance. I think originally it's like $50 or something like that. So very pretty, and these button details make such a difference. It kind of just makes the blazer pop like 10 times. Of course, you know, I love this. If you work in an office and you wear blazers all the time, this would be perfect, and that is the MTA bus screeching in the background. And I forgot to mention, it has this really beautiful hot pink interior, so very cute. So it looks pretty simple, and you can actually see it through here, so it gives you like a pop of color. Like, it looks simple here, but if someone sees inside of your sleeve, they're gonna see that. If you have it open, they might see this beautiful bright pink color. Okay, so I buttoned it up just to show you what it looks like on me buttoned up. So that's what it was. So next up we have this really nice and comfy flannel shirt. I love this pink color. I think the blue and the pink looks really nice together. I just have it tucked in one side and have it hanging on the other side. That's just the way I would style it. It's really comfortable, and it's a decent length in the back as well. I just love the feel of it. It's very soft. If you untuck it, that's how long it goes down to. So it's pretty long. You can also tie the front of this. You guys have no idea how hard it is to film, like so hard. This would be really great to pair with leggings because it's really long, so it covers the front and it covers the back as well when it's let down like this. Let me tie it up and show you another way I would wear it. You can also tie the front like this and wear it that way as well, and you can roll up the sleeves as well if you get a little bit hot. So really comfortable, really soft, and I really like this pink color. I think it's tastefully done. I've seen a ton of flannel shirts, but this color combination, there's something about it, I just really like it. So next up we have this really soft sweater, also by Sophia. Love the v-neck and love the little detailing here. So comfortable, so soft. It does have these side slits here, so it makes it easy for tucking in, and that little hole detail just continues on both sides. It's just a really nice, like, basic sweater, very casual. So as you can see here, the wrist is fitted and the top part, like the arm part, is not, so it's a little bit looser. So you can like roll these sleeves up. I think I would actually do that because I feel like they're a little bit long, so I would probably, sorry, I hit the camera, probably would do something like that instead. And of course I would most likely just like tuck it in or something like that because I definitely prefer the way that that looks. Really simple, really inexpensive. So pretty much just very simple and basic, cute, lovely, like soft pink color. Kind of looks like pink peach, somewhere in the middle between those two colors. Again, super duper soft. Highly recommend it just because I love how soft it feels. It feels amazing on your skin. So I actually have two pairs of shoes to show you. So these are the first ones, and these were only like 10 bucks, you guys. So inexpensive. I love this color. It's like a nude pink type of color, nudie pink, and I love this faux fur detail here. It's really soft. So that's what the inside looks like. I don't know if you can really see. There isn't any faux fur on the inside, but it is comfortable. Just the tongue here has faux fur, but there's none like in the feet area. Very comfortable. This is going to be perfect once it gets colder and it starts snowing and stuff like that. This would be awesome to wear because it's so cute. It's not super heavy. Like, it has a little teeny bit of weight to it, but nothing like crazy. This is by the brand Portland, and as you can see, it does lace up, and I do like the laces as well. So I like the detailing of this boot. Very comfortable, very cute. And then I have another pair to show you. These are by Scoop, and I believe these were like $10 as well, or $8, something like that, and they are a little bit different. I usually don't go for something like this, and honestly I will most likely end up returning this boot just because the heel is a little bit higher than I realized, so I'm probably not going to end up wearing this, but it is so cute. Like, look at that snakeskin print. So you have some blue and green. Normally it's the usual like brown, black snakeskin print, so I wanted to get these because they looked a little bit different and I love the vibrancy of them. This part here is stretchy. It's pretty comfortable for the high heel, but again, I'm probably not going to wear it. I didn't realize it was that high. I thought it was like a little baby heel for some reason. It is like a pointy toe. Very cute, and both fit true to size. Love them. I do recommend them. I think they're really nicely priced. So now is the time to snag some fall booties, winter booties, because you cannot beat that price. So next up we have a cute little hoodie. This is in a size extra large, and I love the flowers on it. That's what it looks like. So it says like cherish, grow, laugh, believe. So it has like different wordings. It's a pretty simple black hoodie. That's what it looks like. This one is definitely not an oversized hoodie. So if you like oversized hoodies, this one is not for you. This one is more of like a true fit. So I usually go for oversized hoodies, but I'm liking this true fit, this true to size. So I do recommend it. You cannot beat the price. Again, it was like $8 or something like that. So really inexpensive. The sleeves do feel a little bit oversized. This part here is, as you can see, a little bit more fitted, true to size, but I think it works well. It's very soft on the inside, so I do like the material. It's not a super thick hoodie. It's definitely like a medium, light to medium weight hoodie, so perfect for once it starts getting colder. You just want like a light layer, like you want some warmth, but you don't want to be overheated. This is perfect for that, and it has some flowers, so it's still kind of like you're transitioning from like summertime into the fall time. So really cute, love it. Nice quality. Okay, so next up we have another black hoodie. This one is plain, simple, black through and through. It does have a little pocket here, very lightweight and soft, so very comfortable. The only difference with this one than any other black hoodie is the concept of it. So it basically has like a built-in mask. So this is the built-in mask part. So you would just pull this up over your nose and you have a built-in mask. So I thought that was pretty cool because people are still wearing masks some places. Some places I go into, I still wear a mask, and yeah, it's pretty lightweight, it's soft, it's cute. It's from Scoop, and it does have these like little thumb holes as well. So I don't know, I just really like it. So that's what the mask part looks like once you pull it up over your nose. Very simple, very easy, and just, I don't know, just an easy idea, I guess. Next up we have this really pretty ribbed sweater dress. So this is again by Sophia. That is what the strap looks like. Very cute. So I will say this, you can size down if you are between sizes, because I did get this in an extra large, but I do feel like it's a tad bit big, and I could have sized down to a large because it is super duper stretchy. So it is a midi length dress. It is so cute. The black is just perfect because you know, black is a really nice color to wear for any occasion. So really cute, very comfortable. I just love that little detail at the bottom. So I definitely recommend this dress. Just size down because, again, as you can see, it's very stretchy. So you can probably even size down too, to be honest, because it is that stretchy and it is a little bit loose on me here. So yeah, I do really like this dress. I recommend it. I think it's so pretty, and I just really like the bottom of it. I like the way it kind of just like moves. So love this little neckline, this little square neckline. I think it's so pretty. So if you're looking for like a little black dress that is super affordable, try this one because it is perfection. I have nothing bad to say about it. I think it fits nicely. It's comfortable. It's not like super tight, because that sometimes is not the most flattering dress, something that's super duper tight on your body. This one is like fitted but not like skin tight, you know what I mean? So definitely recommend this one. Definitely love it. And I'm not sure if it comes in other colors, but I would snag it in other colors if I can because it is that good. Love it. This is a really nice like date night dress or wedding guest dress because, I don't know, it just fits really nicely. So next up we have this lounge set. So these pieces are sold separately and they are by Scoop. So I picked up these joggers and this like, I don't even know what you call this color, like a dark salmon color. Very cute, very comfortable. So the tag is there. This is in a size extra large and this is also in a size extra large. You can definitely buy them separately if you don't want to wear them as a set, but you guys know I love my matching sets. And as you can see, the neckline here is a little bit different because it kind of goes to the side a little bit. So really cute. This top is very soft. These joggers are comfortable and it does have like this line detail going down both legs, and it does have pockets as well. It also has a functioning drawstring there, and if you untuck the top, that's what it looks like. Honestly, I don't know what else to say about it other than it's a really cute like comfy lounge set. You can wear this at home, you can wear it outside of the home. I think it looks perfectly fine either. Next up we have this jacket by No Boundaries. This is a juniors brand. If you are familiar with Walmart, No Boundaries does run small because it is a juniors brand. So typically I size up to like a 2XL, but for this jacket I sized up to a 3XL, and if I had gotten a 2XL it would have been way too small. So you definitely need to size up in this one. Yeah, I think it would just be too small if you tried going with your regular size in this brand, but it was really cute and affordable. I couldn't pass on it. It has like Sherpa sleeves. As you can see, the hoodie has Sherpa as well. This part here is just denim. That's what the inside looks like, and it does have like a pocket here. So I think it's pretty nice for the price. I do like it. Yeah, I just definitely suggest sizing up. So that's what it looks like at the side. I don't know, I just like the combination of it. I like the black and I liked the Sherpa, you know, like the teddy bear look of it. So yeah, if you're looking for like a cute little jacket, this one is perfect. So this one's on the lightweight side because this is just denim and this is just like a little sweater Sherpa material. So it's not going to keep you super warm, but it's perfect for when the weather starts changing. And I don't know, I just really like the look of it. It's super cute, effortless, definitely like varsity, definitely like a juniors brand, but I do like it. I think it's cute. So I debated if I should even show you guys this because I do not like it. This one was priced so well. I wanted to love it. I wanted to so bad because I thought it was cute. It looked really cute online, but when it came in, I don't like it. I'm showing it to you guys because it is part of clearance and it was such a good deal. This is an extra large. Maybe if I had a large I would like it better, maybe it would fit better. It's just not doing anything for me. So it is pretty long, as you can see. If you are interested in this, it is priced really well. This would look wonderful on other people. This just does not look good on me, so this one is a hard pass for me. So that pretty much wraps up this little Walmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you stay tuned for more upcoming Walmart videos because I do have more videos coming out. So my daughter is crying again. Let me go find out why they're crying. Have a great rest of the day, you guys. Take care. Bye.